In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how you may schedule your vREST test cases using the task scheduler on Windows machine. To schedule test cases, first you need to install our command line utility vRunner. We have already discussed about vRunner in our previous video tutorials on executing test cases on command line. If you're not aware of vRunner module, then we recommend you to first view our previous tutorials. To schedule test cases, we need a test case list URL required by vRunner command. Simply go to the vREST application and apply some filters or select some test suites which you want to execute. Let's suppose we want to schedule test cases of test suite 1 and test suite 2. Simply select the test suite 1 and test suite 2 and then click on the button Copy Current List URL to copy the filtered URL. We will first try to execute the vRunner command on command prompt. Then we will add this command in task scheduler to schedule vREST test cases. As you can see that the command line is working fine. We will use this command in scheduling vREST test cases now. Now we will see how to schedule tasks in Windows. To schedule tasks in Windows, we will be using Task Scheduler utility of Windows. In this demonstration, we will be scheduling a task which will repeatedly run on daily basis. So let's first create a basic task. Now let's name the task as vREST task and then click on Next. Now it asks us to select the trigger type, and here we will select daily if we want to execute the task on daily basis. Now it asks us to mention the time at which it will be triggered. After mentioning the time details, select Start a Program. Now it asks us to mention the script or program that is being scheduled to run. Since in Windows, Task Scheduler does not schedule commands directly, so we will be creating a batch script that will contain that command. Let's write the vRunner command which we just executed on command prompt. And then save the file with a .bat extension. After that we have saved it, let's mention it in the task scheduler. Now click on Next and then click on the Finish button to finish the operation. Your vREST task is ready and it will be executed on daily basis. For quick testing of our scheduled job, let's change the frequency to 1 minute instead of daily to verify. Right-click on the vREST task and then click on Properties. Now in Properties windows, select Tab Triggers and then select the trigger and click on Edit button. From the Settings section, select One Time, and in the Advanced Settings section, check Repeat Task every 1 minute and then select Indefinitely. Now click OK to complete the operation. Now the task will be executed every minute unless you edit or delete this task. As you can see, the scheduled task is executing every minute. You may also see the test runs which are executed by vRunner on vREST application. Simply log in into the vREST application and then see the test run history in the Test Runs tab. As you can see here that our scheduled job is executing the test run every minute. vRunner always stores the result on vREST application. So you may always view the results of test runs executed by vRunner command on vREST application. But if you want to store the results in your local file system, then you may use logger option in the vRunner command like this. Now at every run, it will store the test run results in the specified log file. Now suppose if you want to receive email notifications on every test run execution or every failed test run execution, then simply go to the vREST application and select Project Configuration tab, and then move to the Notifications section. Here you may choose the desired notification option. And if you want to report in email as well, then you may choose the report format from CSV, JSON or XML. Now when the scheduled job will be executed, then you will also receive an email notification based on the option you have configured in vREST application. This is how you may schedule vREST test cases on Windows machine. To know more about scheduling vREST test cases, you may go to the user guide of vREST and then visit Scheduling vREST test cases section.